Hello, welcome to the Tasty Tiger. I am Chef Avery.
And I'm Chef Ramsey.
And today we are going to be making warm cheesy bacon dip. So the first thing we're going to do is cook the bacon, and then I'm going to tell you guys the ingredients. This is 1 slice of bacon. This is 1/4 cup of cream cheese. It needs to be softened. This is 3.5 tablespoons of mayo. You can use Miracle Whip as well. This is shredded cheese. We have a Mexican blend here. This is a clove of garlic. This will be minced, and then a dash of Tabasco sauce and a green onion. So while Ramsey is cooking the bacon, I am going to mince our garlic.
Really fine.
And then do we add it to the bowl?
Yes.
Okay, I'm done mincing the garlic, so now I'm going to add it to a bowl. Okay, for the green onion, we're going to chop off the root and this ugly part up here. And then this will just give the bacon dip some color and flavor. If you'd like to use chives instead of a green onion, that would give a more mild flavor. Okay, I'm going to add this to the bowl as well. How's it going? Okay, I'm also going to add the cream cheese into this mixture.
Softened cream cheese so it's easier to mix up as well.
Then I'm going to add the mayo as well. I have a spoon here just to make it easier. I'm going to add the Tabasco sauce. This just gives it some spice.
Use a spoon. And the bacon's almost done, and once the bacon's done, we're going to chop it up and put it in that bowl as well.
Okay, I'm gonna add 2/3 of I'm gonna add 2/3 of the cheese to this mixture. We're saving the rest to put on top after it's microwaved. And then I'm going to mix this while Ramsey cuts the bacon up.
You want to let your bacon cool down a little bit, otherwise it's going to be very hot to try and cut up. And then we also have a microwavable bowl to microwave our dip in as well.
Don't we microwave it in this?
No, microwave it.
think that's good.
And now I'm adding the bacon to the mixture.
Okay, this gets microwaved for 2 minutes. We are now gonna microwave the dip for 2 minutes.
Put it,
I'll put it.
actually microwave it in there. And then the cheese we used was a Mexican blend for our shredded cheese. Bring up the chips we use. Oh, and these chips. And then for our dipping, we're also going to be using garlic parmesan pretzel chips.
We're gonna give this a mix and then put it into this bowl and put cheese on top and then microwave it again.
Just gonna sprinkle the rest of this cheese on top.
And then we're gonna put it back in the microwave for about 30 seconds to a minute. For plating, we're gonna put this in the middle and then spread the chips around the edge.
Open that.
I don't know if I can open it.
And then we're just gonna grab a bunch of the chips, put it around the edge. Ready?
And then here we have our warm bacon cheesy dip with pretzel chips. Thanks for tuning in to the Tasty Tiger, and we'll see you next time.